Hello everyone. So in software industry, during especially for the testing side, we frequently listen three terms, that is QA, QC and QE. QA is quality assurance, QC is quality control and QE is quality engineer. So these three terms are related to testing. But what exactly the difference between quality assurance, quality control and quality engineer, that we are going to see in today's session. So mainly quality assurance and quality control. So interviewer might ask you the main difference between quality assurance and quality control. Quality engineer is recently started. So recently quality engineer is term is started. So we will see first the what is the exact difference between quality assurance and quality control. So these are some points for difference between quality assurance and quality control. So main difference between quality assurance and quality control is that quality assurance is nothing but process oriented thing. So quality assurance is responsible for making processes that needs to be followed to ensure the best quality of product. So quality assurance revolves around making the processes. It is a process. Quality assurance is process that needs to be followed by everyone. So quality assurance can contain different type of practices, best practices needs to be followed by testers or other team members, or what are the different approaches or different processes for quality assurance to assure the best quality of that specific product, that is followed by each and everyone in the team. That is nothing but quality assurance. Whereas quality control is actual testing of software. So we have seen that during SDLC phase, right, there is a testing phase, and that testing phase, testing activity is conducted. So quality control is nothing but actual testing of software, executing the test cases, finding the defects. That comes under quality control. Quality control is nothing but actual testing of the software. It includes software testing where the actual tester will perform the test cases execution. They will identify the defects, they will report those issues. That comes under the quality control. Quality assurance is involved in every phase of SDLC, right? And quality control is involved only in testing phase. So what does that mean? So we have seen that quality assurance is nothing but defining process to ensure the best quality, right? So it revolves around various processes, and QA is involved in every phase of the SDLC. So first phase is requirement gathering. After that there is system design. So each and every phase will have quality assurance, right? So each and every phase will have some kind of a testing activity or some kind of a verification process. That is nothing but quality assurance. Because quality assurance is not only limited to only the testing phase. Quality assurance is involved during every phase of SDLC. Quality control is involved only in testing phase. So QC is nothing but actual testing on the software. So during the QC phase, software tester will perform testing activity, while quality assurance is involved in every phase of SDLC. Because quality assurance focuses on building in quality, whereas quality control focuses on testing for quality. So quality assurance focuses on building in quality. What does that mean? So building in quality means it will perform or it will verify, it will create such processes that needs to be followed, which will make sure that end-to-end phase. So basically from requirement gathering, system design, testing, or during even deployment or maintenance activity. So each and every phase will have some kind of a processes that will ensure the best quality of project. So that is nothing but building in quality, right? So that ensures building of quality, whereas quality control is nothing but focuses on testing for quality. So for quality control, software build will be already created. Software build will be created after coding, and after that during testing phase, testers will perform testing activity and they will find the defects. So that is nothing but testing for quality. So here build is already created and they will just test that specific build. They will focus on testing on that specific code, right? That is nothing but quality control. Whereas quality assurance focuses on building in quality. So in quality assurance, various processes will be defined and those processes needs to be followed by everyone. So that comes under quality assurance. Quality assurance is preventing the defect. So quality assurance is mainly for preventing the defects from the project. So by defining such proper QA processes, we can avoid defects from software in advance. So if we have proper processes defined for during the project development cycle via the QA process, right? So QA defines various processes that needs to be followed for best quality of that specific project, and that will help to avoid the issue in advance only, right? So QA mainly responsible, it is a kind of a proactive approach. If you see, quality assurance is for preventing the defects, whereas quality control is detecting the defects. If you see, quality control is for detecting the defects. By testing the software, testers will find the issues before delivery of product. So during QC phase, that is quality control, testers will actually perform. So build will be already there, and there might be issues which are already present in that build. Those defects needs to be detected, right? So that is the main functionality of quality control. So during quality control, testers will actually find those issues. They will report those issues, and they will report those issues to developer, and those issues will be fixed. So that will not be delivered in the final delivery of product to the customer. So that is the main responsibility in quality control. Whereas quality assurance is for preventing the defects. So if we define the process correctly, it will avoid or it will prevent the defects to occur at the first place only, right? So quality assurance mainly focuses on preventing the defects. As we discussed, quality assurance is process oriented. So we have to define different type of processes for quality assurance, right? So that will be revolving around the processes, whereas quality control is product oriented. So during quality control, actual testing will happen, and that will focus on only the product. That will focus on testing the product and detecting the issues. They don't actually focus much on actual processes which actually done by quality assurance, right? So that is the difference between quality assurance, which is process oriented, whereas quality control is product oriented. Next point is, quality assurance requires the involvement of all the team members, whereas quality control needs only testing team. Right, so quality assurance, as I said, is involved in each and every phase of SDLC. So it does not mean that only tester will have to focus on quality assurance. So quality assurance is mainly highly skilled people. They are mainly involved in higher management. They will define such processes which requires involvement of all the team member, whether it's a project manager, it's a designer, it's an architect, it's a developer. So each and everyone will follow those processes which are defined under quality assurance, because it requires involvement of all the team members those will follow that specific processes which are defined in quality assurance. Whereas quality control is mainly for testing team. Quality control is nothing but only testing team, because in quality control, testers will perform some test cases, they will execute those test cases, they will identify the defects from the software, and they will report those issues to developer. So quality control is nothing but only the testing phase, right, in which the developer testers will actually test that specific build. Quality assurance ensures that everything is executed in the right way, and that's why it falls under verification activity. Whereas quality control ensures that whatever we have done is as per the requirement, and that is why it falls under validation activity. So we have seen the V model, right? So in the left hand side, we have seen there is a verification activity. So quality assurance ensures that everything is executed, right? So each and every processes which are defined needs to be followed or needs to be executed in the correct way. If those activities are done in the correct way, that will eventually prevent lots of issues in earlier phases only. That is comes under verification activity. So various type of reviews can come under quality assurance. We have seen that, right? So in the last session also we have seen static testing technique types, which involves reviewing the different documents, right? Each and every phase will have some kind of a review activity. So a review, along with the review activity, there might be another processes as well that are defined by quality assurance. So that comes under quality assurance, ensuring that everything is executed in the right way, because if the processes are followed in correct way, it will eventually reduces or it will prevent all the bugs which are happening during the later stages. That's why it falls under verification activity. Whereas quality control ensures that whatever we have done, so during the quality control, build is already created. Developer has already performed the coding activity and he has created some software build, and that needs to be tested during the testing phase. That comes under quality control. So whatever the software build is created by developer, whether that is as per the requirement or not, whether the expected result is correct or not, whether it is followed correct document or not, everything whatever mentioned in the requirement document, that is developed correctly or not, that comes under the quality control. So actually testers will perform, they will execute the test cases and they will perform the testing. They will check the behavior of that software application whether it's as per the requirement or not. And that's why it falls under a validation activity. So you have to remember that quality assurance, which is involved in each and every phase, and that comes under verification activity, whereas quality control comes under validation activity because they will perform the testing on actually created software. And last point is quality assurance is a proactive measure, whereas quality control is a reactive measure. So proactive and reactive, right? So we have known that prevention is better than cure. So that is nothing but proactive approach. So prevention comes under quality assurance. So quality assurance is a proactive measure. So we have to create such processes which will eventually prevent the bugs to occur, right? So such processes, if we have created such processes during the quality assurance, that will ensure that whatever processes which comes under the later stages, that will have minimum number of bugs or it will not have any bugs, right? So quality assurance is a proactive measure. So we have to define different type of processes in advance, whereas quality control is reactive measure. So during the quality control, software build is already created. Now during the quality control, we have to find the issues, we have to perform the testing. So testing team will perform the test cases, they will execute those test cases, they will detect or they will find some defects in that specific software build, and they will report those issues to developer, so that the final delivery which will be delivered to the customer will not have any issues in it. So that is the main responsibility of quality control, which involved during the testing phase, whereas quality assurance is proactive measure, right? So that is these are the differences between quality assurance and quality control. Now next term is quality engineer. Now quality engineer, what are the quality engineer? So quality engineer is more advanced than QC. So QE is nothing but similar to QC, but they are more advanced than QC. So during the quality control phase, there are multiple activities or multiple processes which are conducted by tester team or quality control team. Software, we know that software engineer write the code to develop the software. Correct. So software engineer is the one who write the code to develop the software. They are known as software engineer. Similarly, quality engineer also writes the code. So quality engineer write code or scripts and automate the manual task in the software testing process. So whatever the manual testing process or manual task which are conducted during the quality control phase, that can be automated by quality engineer, right? So quality engineer is more skilled and more advanced. They can understand the code, they can write the code. So basically they will write the code or script to automate such manual processes, software testing manual processes, and they are also known as automation testers. So that those are known as quality engineers. So quality engineer are more advanced than QC. Similarly, the software engineer who write the code, known as software developer or software engineer, they write the code to develop the software. Whereas quality engineer can also write the code. Quality engineer can write the script and they automate the manual task or manual activity which are performed during the software testing process in QC. And quality engineer are also known as automation testers, right? So this is the quality engineer. So we have seen the difference between quality assurance and quality control and quality engineer as well. So quality assurance, just a high level review once again. So quality assurance is mainly revolves around the creating processes. So quality assurance is proactive approach of creating different processes and making sure that those processes are followed by everyone to ensure the best quality of product. And quality assurance is not limited to only testing phase. Quality assurance is involved in each and every phase of SDLC, right? And quality control is nothing but testing phase in which only testers are involved. So during the quality control, testers will execute the test cases, they will identify the defect and they will report those issues to developers, and they will get those issues fixed by developer, so that the final product will not have issues in it. So that is the main difference between quality assurance, which is nothing but process oriented, whereas quality control, which is product oriented. So thank you for watching this video. In the coming session we will see some more topic about software testing. Thanks everyone.